Hey YouTube, Alyssa Forever here. Hey YouTube, Alyssa Forever here. We need to come up with a new intro. I need something like Jackie's. I wish I could just take Jackie's. Listen, the thievery. I'm taking suggestions, so let's come up with a new intro. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. This hair. From start to finish, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did to achieve this look. The cutest, soft, wand curl beach wave hairstyle. It's been a minute since you guys have seen my hair. It's been a minute since I've actually been like here with you guys, but I'm here with y'all now. I'm getting back into a good space. Went from being depressed to being Gucci to now falling back into something weird, but I'm gonna call it grief. I'm not gonna call it depression because you guys know I broke up with Nate. So a little grief going on that I'm fighting through, but I'm winning the battle. So that's why I'm here today. We're gonna win the war as well. Sis is back, better than ever. You're gonna wanna make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. You got that notification bell turned on because I'm coming through with the uploads, girl. I'm so glad to be back. I mean, I was back, but now I feel like I'm back. Like Alyssa's actually back. Does that make sense? I do wanna sprinkle in some more hair tutorials because I kinda just left that part of my channel in the dust. So I'm blowing the dust off now. So yeah, let's just get right into this tutorial. Let's go. I washed my hair probably like 5 hours ago, but I got hungry, so I went to go get some food. Then I came back and I was like, I'm so tired, so I took a nap. So I know that under this t-shirt, my hair is probably dry, which is fine. I might just have to re-wet it. I like to use the Aveda Smooth Infusion line. This is a shampoo and conditioner when I know that I'm about to do a blowout on my hair. This is not sponsored, but I love this stuff because it just makes my hair feel more smooth and relaxed. Not like a relaxer, it just has my hair chilling as opposed to fighting back like it usually does. All right, so let's just see. Is my hair dry? Is it wet? What's going on? Oh, it's like, here's the before. Okay. I've just been doing this style so much in my hair that it has sacrificed the health. I do have some heat damage, which is fine with me. I used to be like so hung up on it, like, oh my god, it's gonna damage my hair, but now I'm just not so much hung up on it because it's not that big of a deal. I don't have to have perfect hair. You either win me or against me, ho. Win. My hair is a little too dry to just put a brush through it and start combing it because it's gonna rip the ends and just damage it even more than what it already is. So I'm gonna section her off. Let's see. I'm basically just gonna do everything how I normally do it when nobody's watching me, just so you guys can get the full gist. That's why I decided to do it here in my bathroom because this is really where I do my hair every time. Okay, so I'm gonna try something new this time because I want my hair to feel a little bit more moisturized, meaning I want like it to feel like there's a little bit of an oil in my hair. I don't know if that's a good idea or not, but I want to try it. So basically I'm gonna take a section, spray a little bit of water in it, just enough to, not to make it soaking wet, but just enough to run my fingers through it with ease. So mostly at the ends probably. There's nothing in my hair, so that's also what makes it a little tangly at the ends. Now that we've got it a little bit more wet, I'm gonna take this Denman brush and just kind of detangle a little bit. Gently. Alright, so now that I got it nice and smooth, I'm just going to take this natural oil blend and just take a little bit, not too much, just like enough to coat at least the ends of my hair. Not very much though, because I am going to be putting other products in my hair. I don't want there to be a lot of buildup, so I'm just like putting a little more on my ends. Alright, so next I'm going to take 2 more Aveda products. I love to use these like empty. I've bought them so many times. All right, so we have this glossing straightener. This is gonna just like help to smooth my hair out and protect it from the heat. And then we've got this Style Prep Smoother, which defends my hair against the humidity and frizz. I'm just gonna take like a half a pump of this and smooth it through. And then just a little bit of this, the glossing straightener. Smooth that through. I've actually been using this Smooth Infusion for a couple years now. I'm not sure if I've ever mentioned it on my channel before, but I feel like I haven't. So now you know. I usually just do section by section. So now that I've got this one ready, I'm gonna grab this right here. This is my blow dryer that I like to use. It's a brush and heat comes out of it. I just got this from Target. Make sure that you check the description box because I'll put all the products and everything that I've used today down there. See, and that's why I like to make sure my hair is nice and smooth before I start this process. Since it is a brush, you don't want this to get snagged in your hair and then you're putting way more heat on it than you need to. So if it's nice and smooth, you can just glide it right through. All right, let's do a length check real quick. Let's just see. Length check. Make it nice and smooth. Yeah. Alright, okay. And I'm like taking care of my hair, but it's long as hell. Okay. Let me move this section out of the way. Okay. So I want to move that section so I can work on this one. Like I said before, like I'm not really too worried about heat damage. I used to be, and it put a lot of restraint on my life. So now I'm just kind of carefree about it. I do make sure to do things to help prevent heat damage and things, but I don't like go the extra mile to protect my hair and do no crazy stuff. Let's just do the damn thing. So that was easy, one section done. She's nice and smooth. So basically everything I'm doing here is the exact same steps I would take if I'm about to straighten my hair. The only thing that I would do differently if I was going to straighten it is not use oil because I don't want oily hair. But since I am wearing it curly, I think it's necessary to have a little bit of oil. Before, after, the perfect add. A little bit of water. Brush. Nice and smooth, okay. And now that I got it smooth, I'm gonna add a couple drops of oil, a half a pump of the Style Prep Smoother, and a little bit of the glossing straightener. Okay, now that we have this done, I'm gonna go ahead and just speed through the rest. Okay, so I'm done blow drying it. I think I'm gonna take a break before I jump into doing the wand curls. So while I'm taking a break, I'm just going to put my hair up. So I'm gonna go and put it into pigtails. Pigtail Bantu knot, just for now. So now I can go take a break, eat something, and then I'll be back. So, hey. Hey, I know I look a little different, but what had happened was last night I got too tired to continue my hair. I was doing some other work and I was eating and I just was like, I can't even do it. So today I woke up and I think I'm gonna attempt to do some curls, but I don't have a lot of time. So I wanted to like take these little things out and see what the situation is because it might actually be cute. Okay, wow, okay. I'm going on a trip tomorrow, so I need my hair to be cute. This is cute, I just know it's not gonna last. This is gonna probably be gone. By the time I come back later, this will not look like this. This will not look like this in an hour. So basically, I just showed you guys how to do a blowout. So look how cute this is. I didn't even do anything special. I basically just did a blowout and slept with Bantu knots in. You can do this every night and just keep it like this. Or if you want some more curls, which I think I will add some more in. I love having the Bantu knots in because it gives me a nice good base to start with when I curl. I'm gonna use this bigger combing one. I think this is an inch around. It doesn't say on there, but I'm pretty sure it's an inch. Doing the Bantu knots gave me a perfect layout. So now I just can like kind of go through and redefine each one. So I love to use this. I've been using this my whole life, it feels like. This is the Tresemme Heat Tamer leave-in spray. So I just spray it on each section that I'm about to wand curl so that I can protect my hair from the heat. Oh, and by the way, this is like my everyday go-to makeup look. Not an everyday look, but just like anytime I'm going to an event or going somewhere where I want a full face, this is just what I do. My default look. If you guys want to see a whole video on this makeup look, leave some comments for me below. Actually, first, I'm going to do my edges. Let's do some edges. Let's get these edge works.
Hey, Alyssa. I had to ask you on the other line if you have a sec. I want to pack this all on together.
Like, yeah, I got like 5 minutes. Sorry, I'm like in the middle of filming. Excited.
Okay. Thanks for listening.
Okay, thank you guys.
Text me any questions you have.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Bye.
Okay, bye.
I'm laughing because I just got a text. I did a photo shoot and the photographer is like, hey Liz, I just wanted to see if you want me to remove this birthmark in the photos. I don't usually remove stuff like that, but I just wondered if you wanted it gone. And I was like, what birthmark? So I looked and let's see if I can. That. It looks like horrendous in this video, but it's right here. And this just appeared on me. I was in Cancun like last month, and when I was there I got new freckles and I got this thing there that looks like a birthmark. I'm not sure what it is. I still haven't gone to the dermatologist, but I thought it was funny. He's like, you want me to remove that? I'm like, yes, because I don't know what it is. Edges are as done as they're gonna be. They're not really cooperating with me today. I don't even want to start there. I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna take a pretty big section. I feel like that's pretty big compared to like what I'm used to doing. Actually, this is not that big. I'm being dramatic. This isn't that big. So they said just take a section, spray the heat protector spray on. Take the wand and wrap it around. That's literally all I'm gonna do this whole time. I just want the curls to be a little bit more defined. It's gonna be a long day and I just know that the humidity is gonna get to it, so I might as well try to do something about it. Drops down and I'm gonna stretch it because I still want to keep this length that I have right now. So I always think that I want to get these my under bags, like under eye bags, kind of like figured out, filled in, done something to them, but I'm starting to actually like them. I like imperfections and I think they actually look cute, so just thought you should know. Stretch it while it's still hot, that way. Because if you try to stretch it when it's like already cooled off, it's not going to go anywhere. It's just going to bounce back. So while it's hot, you can do whatever you want. I want it to be long, so I am stretching it out. If you want it to be short, you kind of scrunch it. I really want to try to do more videos like this where I am just kind of showing you guys what I actually be doing. I'm not in a staged setup. It's realistic to what how I actually live my life. Hold on, and see, I can't even get the lighting right. It's a little too dark. I'm just leave it there. I don't know. I just love my hair when it can be fully stretched out and long. I just love the way that I look with long hair. I'm so happy that I was dedicated enough to go natural to get my hair to at least start growing. So I give myself props for all that time and hard work. I kind of fell off from the hard work now, and now I'm kind of just enjoying the length. But it is what it is. I do like to split up the time like between blow dry and then curling so that you don't have so much heat on your hair at once. It just can be too much, and this just gives it a little bit more space to recover from the first round of heat. Every month I'm supposed to pay her bills and get her what she want. Then go ask me how I'm feeling. I'm upset. $15,000 on my hair is disrespect. Before, after, just, oh my god, it looks so cute. It looks like a wig. It looks fake. Wow, my hair is so beautiful. This, like, I wish I could just wear it like this all the time. Do you know? Do you know? Do you know? Ah! This is so good. It's just, my heart, I can't, I love it so much. Let's just say that. My hair looks so freaking long. Okay, this is just, I just love it. Like, I just never thought that my hair would be like this ever in my life. I always struggled, like, okay, I should just do a whole hair journey video and talk about how I feel, because I feel a lot of things. As you can see, I'm super excited, and there's reason behind that. I just burnt myself. Ouch. Oh gosh, this makes me feel so happy inside. So this is just like Bantu knotted out, and this is with like 10 wand curls. That's what it feels like. I feel like I didn't even put that many. Such a quick style, but I do know it's not gonna last very long. You can already tell, like, I still have texture. Like, whenever I can still see texture, I already know it's gonna revert soon. So maybe I should put a little extra heat on this piece. I think, like, while I'm doing this, I came up with another video idea that I really think I should follow my Bantu knot out tutorial and make a video as I'm following along and see if it still works the same for me, if it looks good on me anymore. My hair is way longer now. Like, that would be cute. I know I had the 2 Bantu knots in today, but imagine if I did it all over my head. Like, we gotta try that. I gotta do that. Set the bar on the fucking bar. Set the bar on the fucking bar. Get a sky, I'm a fucking star. I don't fall in love cause I be living hard. Do everything like my shirt. It's a large. I set the bar on the fucking bar. So freaking beautiful. So this is a good style for just like if you only want to wear it for that day, like if you're not trying to wear it for a whole week, because if you're gonna wear this for a whole week, you're gonna have to keep refreshing the curls, because even now I have to keep refreshing them because they're not staying and I haven't even gone anywhere yet. So this is a cute like 2-hour hairstyle. No, I was kidding. I'll probably wear this like this for the week. I'll just keep putting heat on it. Like I told you guys before, putting heat on my hair isn't something that I fear anymore. It is what it is. I'm living my life as I please, and I can't worry about damage because that's the least of my problems. So to go to sleep tonight, I plan to just put it up in a pineapple with a silk scrunchie or something silky, and either a silk scarf or a silk bonnet or something, and then just take it down tomorrow and maybe refresh some of the curls. A good way to refresh some of these curls without having to use heat might be doing little individual Bantu knots throughout. Maybe not your whole head, but like maybe one patch needs, you know, refreshed in this patch, and so you just do like little Bantu knots all around with a little bit of hairspray or something. Maybe that would work. I don't even know. I'm just kind of guessing because I'm gonna use heat. I'm just at that point. I'm at that fuck it part of my life. It's just like, I wish my hair could just stay like this. Do I need to get a relaxer? Because I sure will. No, I won't, but I want to I want to just be able to wear my hair like this all the time. This could be my default. Can somebody please make me a wig exactly like my natural hair? You know what? That might be an idea. I might have to come out with a wig line that looks like my hair so that anybody with my same texture or a different texture, you can experience this, because this is cute. Okay, so here's the finished look, and I'm loving her. So the next time that I have a hair tutorial, I'm gonna try to show you guys the tighter wand curls that I usually wear. It is a different process. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and seeing me back on my shit again. Let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle in this video in the comments below. Let me know if you want to see this makeup look. Just let me know a lot of things. Just pour your heart out in the comments. I want to know it all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you at my next upload. Bye!